This is going to be a quick video of my 2007 Honda Accord V6 6-speed sedan. It's been sitting here for about 3 weeks now. I just got back home, so it's been sitting here in my driveway since December 23rd, and today is January 11th. So it's not really frigid right now. It's about 56 degrees or so and a little bit rainy, but this car has been sitting through some really cold temperatures, like single-digit Fahrenheit, and I think maybe even some overnight below zero temperatures. So the only thing I know is that the remote works. I tried that off camera, so that's a good sign. The battery isn't completely drained, but the battery in this car right now is from 2012, so I'm thinking maybe time to replace that soon. But let's see what happens. I just did a little walk around, and so far everything looks okay. So this is the only OEM, the only original key, I should say, that I have. I have a couple duplicates, but this is the only key the car came with when I bought it. Okay. That's a good sign. All right. There's a little bit of a squeal coming from under the hood. That usually just happens when I first start it up when it's wet outside. I'm not really sure what's causing that. But usually as soon as it warms up a little bit, or if you rev it up a tiny bit, that sound goes away. And like I said, when the car completely warms up, it goes away completely. So that was easy. Didn't have to jump start it or anything. I was a little worried, but everything looks good. I also just recently replaced the bulbs inside these two switches because they burned out. But that was a pretty easy repair, and now they work again. And here are the LED low beam headlights. Alrighty, I'm just gonna let it warm up and drive it around a little bit, but that was very easy.